Jap 5, 107 Hoover. He called us. He called us the other day, and he let us know that he got a hold of Cmac. He got a hold to him Friday morning on the 16th. He had called and told him the day before that he was gonna get at him the next day. That they had finally put them all in the same spot. So I was like, okay. My advice was, okay, homie, don't let him grab you. He's a lot bigger than you, but now everybody knows C-Mac can't fight. But anyway, so the next morning I was sleepy and tired, but he called and he let me and his mama know that him and C-Mac locked up. And he said it wasn't even no fight. He said it wasn't even no fight. He said he ran through him. Say C-Mac swung one time, missed, ducked his head, and dang near kind of like balled up. Say Jap 5 say he caught him. He caught him with a two-piece. Said it was a Rap City chick after that, y'all. Say he didn't want nothing else to do with him. Didn't want nothing else to do with him. So after he handled him the way he wanted to handle him, he say C-Mac got up tumbling up. Man, I knew you was a boxer, but I didn't know you was that fast. I didn't know you was that good. Then I didn't know you hit so hard to be so small. I thought I was just gonna whoop you. Didn't happen like that. According to Jap 5, allegedly, you know what I'm saying? But the story probably come out sooner or later. If anybody got any inside sources, talk to people that's in the county jail. Y'all go ahead and check it out yourself, find out, you know what I'm saying? But I got it from the horse's mouth, personally. I got it from the horse's mouth. So y'all stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Cause eventually y'all gonna hear about it. But you know what I'm saying, like you say, according to what he's saying, like you say, Jap 5 ran into C-Mac and put hands on him. Put hands on him, y'all.
What up, my little channel? You got cartoon confirming that Jap 5 beat the fuck out of C-Mac. So there you have it. C-Mac whooped in the county jail. Leave a comment, tell me what y'all think. Y'all think it's cap or it's real? I think it's real. I think C-Mac got his motherfucking ass handed to him by Jap 5. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to New Mother Channel. We out.